hats, and more bats. Okay, we're gonna play this. The grand is crazy at $19,431. I said, let's go, let's do it. So we're gonna try it. Let's play. All right, guys. I don't know if we've played this before or not. Let's try 2 cents. Let's try this guy right here. Not sure what we need in this one. So we're going to learn together. We're going to learn today. Thinking this might be some, oh, and obviously those are something. And they probably got to be on the same line. I don't know, but then again, that looks like something. Okay. Angry owls, okay. Woo, we did something. We did something.
I think you need 3 of their faces.
All right. Awesome. Okay. So we're on 2 cents and got
feature. Here we go.
Oh, Rocket Link. We love that. Let's do that one. Why won't you work? It won't work. Someone's touched the screen too much. Oh no. Okay, hold on as we try to get this to work.
Come on.
Thank you. Okay, guys, so it was because my water was on the thing. It wasn't working. It was all my fault. But we figured it out. Don't put water on the little thingamajiggy. Oh, that's cute. What does that all mean? Oh, it doubles everything. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, but it didn't connect.
Look at that mean?
He just looks stupid down there. Okay. That's a pretty good bonus. That's not bad, $18. It probably took me more time to go find someone to find out what the problem was than that bonus was for sure. You guys didn't see that, but that took me about probably, I don't know, 6 minutes to find somebody to figure out what in the fudge was wrong with this machine. It was me. It was a me problem. Let's do it again. Let's get the bonus again. Now for reals, because I understand what's going on.
Let's get some bats. I'm Batman. I
wonder where the hats come on. It wasn't like cats, hats, and bats? Oh, maybe that hat? I don't know. Okay, they gotta all be in the same row. Ooh! Man, it like shakes the screen. That's like impressive. Okay. Do it! That'd have been a good one. $30. Do it again. We want to play for real this time. Ooh, a minor. Oh, that's 100 bones.
100 bones. That would have been nice.
Oh, the mini's 20. Cute little features. Don't disappoint us. You can do it. Oh, that's a wild. Ooh, oh, and I shut it off by touching it. Oh my gosh. We are learning more and more about this game, people. So the mansions are the wilds. Woo, put them all on the same line, please. Woo. Good vibes, good vibes. Let's do this.
Do it. Let's do it.
You can do it. I do appreciate the bonus right off the bat. Do it again. Give those little funny tiger faces again, please. Uh-oh. Just eating our money now.
One more.
Woo,
Yes.
yay! I lowered the bet to $1. Hey, whatever it takes. That splat feature. Let's go. Yay! Everything's double because it's 2 cents.
Lock it in. There we go.
Yay! Nice, okay. Connect. Yay!
Nice.
Oh, I really hear it. It sounds like they're hitting the screen, doesn't it? That's horrible.
Start. Nice. All right. Need that top one now next to him. Right at the top.
Oh, yeah, the connect?
Yep.
Yeah.
Come on.
Anything.
Come on. Just one. Just one. Just one. Splat,
Do
splat,
it.
splat,
Do
splat.
it. Aww. Okay, so it's $42. Sorry, I'm not doing this very well today, am I? Okay, apologies. Oh, that was $60.
Nice. That's a good one.
Back in the game.
Ooh, I know that kitty cat.
Do you really?
Yep. One more.
Ooh! I like how it shakes the screen. Very impressive. Do it one more time. You can do it.
Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, that's a nice
Ooh,
one.
$100. That'd have been awesome. You can do it. I have faith in you. All the same line bets. 3 bets, please. One more. Come on, do it.
Good.
Do it.
Come on.
Do it. Oh, you stink.
Choice words again for it. Choice words.
Oh,
Come on, do it. Has to be in a row, right?
Yeah, it has to be in the same row. Teasing. Uh-oh. Okay, we need something to happen. One more. Do it. Do it. No, Tom, you dummy. Okay, what do we put in? We're for it. Ooh, nice one. Why not do some nice ones? All on the line. How about that?
That would be awesome.
Let's do a fun one. Listen, this thing's not playing nice.
Nope.
I gave it a chance. Because us and new games, we usually do well together.
Yeah, we do.
Oh no, we're coming to the ends.
No, say it ain't so. Please, please don't go.
No.
I want you to know.
Do something quick.
Come on, do it.
Come
Three
on,
in a row.
Lions.
3 in a row. Right up top. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Oh no. Last spin.
Oh.
Okay, or not.
Enough for a few more spins.
Wrong lines. Do it together. Playing the wager saver. Yes, we're winners.
We win all the time. People know us.
That blue biscuits. That's all I can say. It blues and Ceres biscuits. We have like $100 and some, and now you see that? That's zero groceries, people. That's zero. Zero dinner, zero. It's this now. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.